Next hotel down, Hampton Inn and Suites by Hilton, here in Houston, Texas, near George Bush International Airport. Let's see what kind of elevators we have here. Hello. Definitely been renovated though. Nope, not over there. I think it's down here a little bit. Right. Oh.
Serious construction going on here.
Yes. Oh, guess what today is?
What?
330A day. And now second controllers. 330, yeah. And they're renovating right now. Cray. I'll have to look at the elevator records. Uh-oh. Look at that lantern. It's falling apart. Take a picture of that. Very nice elevators, you see? Here we go, one.
Okay.
That's where 1R opens up. Look at this elevator right here. Sure, take a ride on it.
Dirty as heck in there.
That's okay. Always see how it runs. Stinks in there. Here we have 4. Still closed by and works. Cabinets up. This is your construction elevator right here.
There's that before.
And yes, the cabinet's open, which I think the construction guys are using it right now. And here we are, 1. Look at that. I don't know why that's there, but see? And I guess that's gonna be it.